So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you this magic mirror. So this is the magic mirror. You can see magic photo mirror. So you can put your image on it, in it, so you will see your image in it with the glowing. You can see it have this cable. Oh, what is this cable all about? I don't know. This is very old type cable. So you can see mirror. It is perfect mirror. So great. We can use it with the charger, or what do we have here? Let's see. Wait a second, it is stuff to. Oh, we can put here pencil cell. Great, that's great. Oh, wow, amazing. I love this. Oh, 3. Okay, now wait a second, it's not perfectly attached. Okay, now it's locked. Now what do we have here? You can see this. So you can put this on here and connect with your laptop or charger. Let me connect with my PC. Okay, wait a second. So it has my personal image, so I am hiding it. Turn on it. Let me hide, and you can see this is very perfect, glowing, and you can turn it off or on. You can use as a mirror or use as a your photo in it. Perfect.